Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko.
Good day! We are the Group 3. Plant a tree, grow a future. Saving the earth isn't a choice. It's a responsibility. Let's learn how together.
Earth and its resources make life possible. Without these resources, life as we know it would be impossible.
However, this will soon become a reality if we don't save the earth now.
We need to protect the earth to protect our lives.
Because humans and all living organisms depend on it for survival. We need to save the earth at all costs because it is the only planet that sustains life. Save our Mother Earth because it is the only planet where we can survive. No planet will replace Earth. Mother Earth provides our basic needs: food, clothing, shelter, and natural resources like oxygen and water. Among many others, let's save Earth, let's save life. Life cannot function without sunshine, air, vegetation, and water. We are sharing with you a simple things to protect the earth.
Ipanumpa kong ditikabi.
Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Kanino lang. Kanino. Saksi ang langit sa mga mata ko nga di gyud kapuyon ug ang akong
Proper waste disposal.
ko magduha-duha o ikaw kumahulog kaandam ko mahulog uban isa na sa tadadon
Conserve water.
ipanumpa kong ditikabian o pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong taming o ginagiban, luyo nining